As I'm recording this, 2 hours ago, we got an update from Maximus Vohland, who obviously a few months ago had the injury, and on his Instagram saying, quote, "With SX moving back to the West Coast, I wanted to give everybody an update. In late January, I experienced a crash leading to a hip dislocation, which required surgical intervention to get it back in place. Complications from the surgery has significantly hindered my recovery process. As a result, I am unable to participate in the remaining SX rounds. I am fully committed to my rehab and aim to return as soon as possible. I'd like to thank all the fans and sponsors for their unwavering support during this time. Racing has its highs and lows, which is part of the journey. I eagerly look forward to get back on the bike and race as soon as I am able." And what sucks even worse was this just a practice crash. Obviously, you need to train during the week. You need to keep your cardio up. You need laps on the bike. But for something that's not even competitive laps, not racing against people, to get injured like that, really bad. And he didn't have the greatest of starts. I mean, 17 points for the first round, so a good first A1, and then 3 points for the second race that he did, and missed obviously the next two because of this injury. But it sucks to move to a new team, look really great in the first round, second round, whatever, who knows, and then be injured, just boom. There goes any progress you've made on the bike, any standing you've made on the team. I don't know. It sucks for him. It sucks for the team and everyone supporting him. And hopefully he's, taking Supercross off and he can come back for motocross. I don't know how long this is going to take. I don't know if he's on the bike or whatever it is, but I mean, I'm assuming if you have to have surgery and then there's problems with a hip dislocation, it's probably not great. But I don't know. In the comments below, you guys tell me. Are you excited for Seattle? Do you think it's going to be another mutter? Uh, Whatever it is, we're going back to the West Coast, so it's going to be kind of a fun thing. And whatever it is, comment down below. Tell me what you think. Who you think is going to win? Obviously, we're going to go 450 for Jets because that's just an obvious pick. But whatever it is, comment down below. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do because it really does help me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.